Denise Kinnebrew, and I am an instructor here at AVS. Just wanted to introduce myself a little bit. I have been sewing since I was very young. My actual high school graduation gift from my parents was a Bernina 830, and I still sew on that Bernina 44 years later. So I love to sew. Looking forward to having you in a class. So the first class that I will be showing you today is an adult beginning sewing class. You do not have to worry about whether you are even comfortable sitting at a machine. We're going to show you all the details from threading it to working it to getting it all together. So here's the project we will be working on. We are going to make a beginner's pillowcase. And it is absolutely beautiful. The fabrics here at the store are fabulous, so you'll have fun picking out your own fabric. The nice thing about it is it's completely finished inside and out. We're gonna learn how to do a French seam, as well as putting the little cuff on the edge. It's just beautiful. It's a fun project. So we're also having a 3-day kid camp this summer, and we're going to learn how to make a quilt. We're going to learn how to sew together squares, going to learn how to put the backing on it. You're also going to learn how to bind it. And so fun fabrics, fun little project, kind of a beginner step into learning how to sew and to quilt.